On July 18th and 19th, Broadway comes roaring to life with your Space Coast Symphony Orchestra. Gershwin's thrilling An American in Paris launches a program filled with rhythm, glamour, wit, and unforgettable music. Clarinetist Jennifer Royals takes center stage for the world premiere of Julian Bond's playful and virtuosic Rhapsody for a Blue Clarinet by George, an epic homage to Gershwin's Rhapsody in Blue. SCSO violinist Jordan Bicasan also steps into the spotlight for his vocal debut, performing two beloved jazz standards, Dream a Little Dream of Me and Ain't Misbehavin'. Then, experience the music that made Broadway legendary, the seductive danger of Cabaret, the sweeping romance of Rodgers and Hammerstein's South Pacific, the passion and spectacle of Andrew Lloyd Webber's Evita, the irresistible energy of Grease, and the razzle-dazzle of Chicago. Lights Up on Broadway, Saturday, July 18th at 7 p.m. at the Scott Center in Melbourne, located on Pineda Causeway, and Sunday, July 19th at 3 p.m. at the Emerson Center in Vero Beach. Tickets are $35 in advance at spacecoastsymphony.org or pick them up in person at any Marine Bank and Trust branch. Everyone 18 and under and all college students attends every SCSO concert free. Discounted tickets are always available through the Symphony for Everyone program. Call 855-252-7276 or visit spacecoastsymphony.org. Come hear your Space Coast Symphony Orchestra, the symphony for everyone.